Vlog. So I literally haven't even finished eating breakfast yet, but we took a nice banger trade today on MNQ, charted out on NQ, took it on MNQ on the Express, and we also passed 8 Apex accounts on news this morning, so that was pretty good. If I can turn the camera around, that would be nice. All right, there we go. So if you're wondering what's going on with the hat, keep wondering. So basically for today, we finished trading, caught a nice W this morning. Working on passing a lot of accounts this week. So on the Express this morning was, let me show you guys, we had a nice $278 day on the Express. It's currently up about, what is that, $600. So I'm working on growing that Express. I'm trading all my accounts, risking about 300 to make 300. I'm trading 1-to-1, so that's gonna be the game plan for that. And then we got our mini pancakes right here that I still gotta finish. We had eggs, avocado, strawberries, and mini pancakes. Mom made that, so I had to eat here because I was still trading. And yeah, so the game plan for today, I'll show you guys a little bit of the day as it goes on today, but primarily I do want to talk to you guys about trading and my plans going into this week and next week, and just my plans to actually grow in order to make the 6-figure payouts that I want to be making, because I've cracked over 15K in payouts, but obviously we're trying to do more than that, you know what I mean? So that's what we're going to be trying to do, and I'm going to be focusing on that. We got the to-do list here. I'm going to be knocking some stuff out. Room, as always, I got to clean my room. A mess all the time, so I haven't finished cleaning up my room. I'll do videos first, and then I'll work out, and then I'll shower, and then after that I'll edit, make some more videos, probably finish this vlog right here. And yeah, comment down below if you guys made it already this far, because I'm looking for the real people. So if you made it this far, 2 minutes into the video, comment down below and say I made it. But other than that, I'll cut into the next clip. I'll fix my room, and then we'll get right into some trading stuff. The room is clean now, as y'all can see, got everything wrapped up. And then on the board, as y'all can see as well, got the room marked off. I know it's a little cringe, but honestly, this gives me a boost to just keep checking things off throughout the day. So that's why I do it. A little bit of dopamine right there on actually getting stuff done and being organized. Because if I didn't do this, bro, honestly, I probably wouldn't organize my room and keep it clean. So that's a reason why I do that. Now, another thing is we went ahead and passed our Apex. We didn't just pass 5, we actually passed 8, which we already covered on the last clip there. But past 8, we traded. Then I need to prepare some more funded accounts later today. And then, yeah, I mean, there's a money vlog. So I'm gonna be doing money vlogs, just talking about what I'm doing on a daily basis to make a bunch of money, or, you know, plan to make a bunch of money. So now I'm gonna go ahead and run like 10 reels that I'm gonna try to post, and then this is gonna be today's video for the day for YouTube in terms of long form content. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna run 10 reels, and right now I don't have any brand deals really that are paying me monthly because I'm focused in on doing all this. But next month or the month after that, I might pick up some more brand deals, because at one point I was making like $2,000 to $2,500 a month straight up of brand deals in terms of TikTok shop. So that was one of my main income sources. That's what replaced my job that I quit in December. So I might get back into those. For now, I'm not gonna be taking them, but we're locked in on this. I had my biggest trading month in July, so we're gonna try to keep that up and see if we can get some more payouts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys after I record about 10 reels, and we'll go over, we can maybe go over those videos. Finally just finished making 10 different reels. They weren't too value driven. I was a little bit lost on what type of reels to make today, but I still got through it. I made some nice aesthetic ones, some short ones that can potentially get more views than other ones. Just something to start picking back up momentum, since I kind of slowed down in the last like week or so. So we got those, and let me show you one of them absolutely cooked, and it's with this camera. It's just me like touring my room, and honestly I think it's pretty sick. But I did 10 reels today, and if I go to my reels, they're all posted already. As you can see, we got one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we got 6, 7, all right, 8, 9, and then 10. But yeah, that's pretty much that. I finished that. I hopped on a call with one of our members, helped him out with some stuff going on with some tips on his accounts and stuff. But now I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm starving, and I might talk to you guys a little bit. No judging, bro, but not the healthiest meal in the world, but it's kind of like a scavenger meal right now because I got a lot of stuff to do, so I just put something together. Quick little cinnamon raisin bagel with ham and cheese toasted in a toaster. Cheesecake Factory chocolate bread. It's not really chocolate, but chocolate bread. Magnesium supplement. Electrolytes right here. So, hey, no. Whatever. Alright, I finished the food. I had to get a cookie, bro. I mean, they were just sitting right here looking at me. I don't know what else was I gonna do? They were just looking at me. Open one. I don't even know whose cookies these are, but doesn't matter. I mean, are they gonna be able to tell that one cookie's missing? I doubt they counted them. Anyways, took my magnesium, got my electrolytes, finished eating everything. Holy. And yeah. Bro, I was honestly just thinking, I gotta wash my plate in a second, but I was just thinking like, bro, right now, I'm about to scale up on funded accounts and how many accounts I have, how much money I'm investing into what I'm working on, like crazy. And every time I doubt myself, I always remember, dude, like, if it works out, if everything works out, doesn't have to be perfect, but if it works out instead of not working out, that would be insane. And I always remember to bet on myself. I started learning that. Bet on myself every single time I'm doubting it. Go all in, bet on myself, put in the work, stay consistent, bro. And dude, that's where I'm at right now. I set my goal. Let me go to my room actually and show you. I set a goal at the beginning of this year to hit 1,000 subs on YouTube. At the beginning of the year, I thought it was gonna be incredibly hard. 1,000 subs on YouTube. Yet, I hit that about, what? On the 22nd of August. Now next, I'm working on hitting 5K and also getting monetized on YouTube. So these videos where I'm providing entertainment value to you guys for free, companies can pay to put ads on the videos and help me make this content every single day and turn it into something that I do for a living, you know? So making these videos, getting people into trading, you know, inspiring people to do, I think what I'm doing is great, and I would love to inspire as many people as I can to do the same type of thing. Organize themselves, have plans, have goals, set up goals for yourself for an entire year, hit the goals, and then stretch the goals even more. Yes, it's about the money here, but it's more than just that, right? Money is just the first step. It's the tool that I'm going to be using once I achieve all of this. And not everything on here is about money, right? But primarily it is, because that allows you to do so much, you know? And this is honestly probably the hardest goal aside from money. Like, even with money, this is probably one of the hardest goals. 175 pounds, gaining weight. I'm only like 145 at 6'3". Like, I'm pretty damn light, you know? I'm like, with that cookie I just ate, I might be like 150 now. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm at a moment right now where I'm betting on myself. I'm putting a lot of money into what I did. I'm going all in. I quit my job in December. Okay, I've started making some money online. I don't have any brand deals right now on TikTok Shop. I'm going all in on my personal brand and trading. So it's pretty scary. I spent a good amount of money on this camera that you're watching this video on right now. So it is pretty scary, and you just gotta trust the process, bro. And as long as you're putting in the work, the success is guaranteed. You just don't know when it's gonna happen. And honestly, I think that's even better, because if I knew when it was gonna happen, I might not even put in the work. Not have eaten that cookie, bro. I should not have eaten that cookie. My stomach hurting. Ah, shoot. But I gotta go work out, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I think I'm going to probably record another YouTube video. I might record a YouTube video and then aside from this one, just a talking video. And then after that, I think I'm going to go get sushi. I think so. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and work out real quick. We're working on getting those mini biceps a little bigger, you feel me? Trying to hit that 175 that I just talked about. A couple more cookies and I'll be there in a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna work out outside for a little bit. It's nice. It just finished raining. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the whole floor is wet. I'm gonna still work out outside here because it's nice and fresh now. It's not that hot. And get a nice little workout in for a little over half an hour probably. I've actually been gaining some guns, bro. I won't lie. But yeah, I'll work out for a bit. After that, I'll go shoot another YouTube video, like I mentioned earlier. And yeah, I'm gonna just vibe out here. I'll probably might record some more reels out here because I love recording outside, especially right now that it's not too hot. That's it. Just showered. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. We got the V outside. It was raining a lot today, so this is what it's looking like right now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the vlog, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one.